Hello traders, welcome to the new trading strategy video. If you are looking for a powerful technique to dominate the market, you are in the right place. In today's video, I am going to reveal one of the best 1 minute pocket option trading strategy using 3 powerful indicators, a zigzag indicator and 2 simple moving averages. Now let's talk about the trading rules step by step. Pay close attention before we dive in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the notification so you never miss a strategy that could change your trading forever. Trading rules. When the zigzag line slopes downward and the red line crosses the green line upward, it's time for sell trade with 1 minute expiry. When the zigzag line slopes upward and the green line crosses the red line upward, that's a signal for a buy trade with 1 minute expiry. But wait, don't forget these golden rules. Always check support and resistance levels. Use a 1 minute candle time frame with 1 minute expiry. Avoid trading during news releases, markets get unpredictable. Focus on European and New York session for better results. Now let's take a few live trades together so you can see exactly how this strategy works in real time. Watch closely as I use both indicators to confirm the perfect entry points. We have just nailed our first trade, a clear win. Now let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect setup. Remember, in trading, it's all about timing and discipline. Here we found another one. The zigzag indicator is sloping upward, the green moving average has crossed the red moving average and moved upward. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which trading strategy or topic you'd like to see next. And make sure to watch till the end to get exact indicator settings. Now let's see how this trade concludes. Yes, we have won this trade. This just shows how effective this strategy can be when followed correctly. Now let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect setup. Remember, consistency is key in trading. Here we go. I've just taken a third buy trade because it perfectly matches our recommended buy setup. The zigzag indicator line is sloping upward. The green moving average has crossed the red moving average and moved upward. Make sure to watch till the end to get exact indicator settings. Now let's wait and see how this trade concludes, win or loss. Remember, in trading, patience is key. Stay tuned. We have won this trade now. Let's stay patient and wait for the another trade setup. Alright, I have taken a sell trade here because it perfectly matches our setup. The zigzag indicator is sloping downward and the red moving average has crossed the green moving average and moved upwards. Always start by testing this strategy on a demo account. It's the safest way to practice and build your confidence before jumping in with real money. And don't forget, if you want the exact setting for all 3 indicators, make sure you stay with me until the end of the video. We have won this trade too. Now as promised, let me show you the exact indicator setting for this strategy so you can set them up yourself. First, we'll use the zigzag indicator with the following settings: Deviation 5, Depth 4, Backstep 3. We'll also use 2 simple moving averages, Period 3 green color and Period 6 red color. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any question or need clarification, drop them in the comment below. I am here to help you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and helps me create high quality content just for you. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.